Since 1983, Mid-Florida Heating and Air has been Florida's leading heating and air conditioning company. Today, we are looking at an innovative product for horse owners that is changing the way you can heat and cool your barn.
Mini splits are compact systems that don't have any ductwork. A ductless mini split system has a lot of advantages in comparison to a window unit because they are a lot more efficient to run. So they use less energy to heat and cool. And they also have better dehumidification characteristics so they can control humidity levels much better in those areas. A mini split is a great option for a barn because you can heat and cool an office to keep yourself more comfortable when you're in there doing work. You can control the temperature and humidity in a bathroom so you can get cleaned up after you get done riding. And also keep feed and tack drier because we know that humidity here in Florida is a challenge, and mini splits do a great job at dehumidification. So it's definitely a benefit to have those in a tack or feed room. If you've ever heard a window unit running before, they make a lot of noise, and they're disruptive when you're in the space. Mini split systems are nearly silent, so they're not disruptive to your daily life. The mini splits in the barn here, they run 24 hours a day. They cost less than 50 cents a day to operate, and this is a two-head model that's here. The mini splitter ductless HVAC system has an outdoor unit called a compressor that's connected to 1 up to 8 indoor units to produce heating and cooling. They come in a variety of different interior design looks, so you can really have, you got a lot of options for each room that you're going to put them in. Mini splits can be installed in a stall. There's different models that are available because there's certain times of year and certain animals that need to have climate controlled 24/7. We've installed mini splits and provided service for clients from high-end dog kennels to stud horses where it's important to maintain perfect temperature year-round for breeding, and a mini split's an ideal way to do that. With the Florida heat that we have, being able to maintain a cooler temperature in the barn is really important. Also, the animals, being able to keep fans running when needed and not running unnecessarily. That's why here in this barn we have electrical outlets for the stall fans that are wired in on thermostats, so they kick on and off automatically as needed. A mini split system's installation typically will take place in one day. It's not very invasive at all. It's not disruptive to your daily life. Our team will come in, perform the install, clean up after they're done, and leave you with a smile and being comfortable. My family has a saddlebred. We live in the communities that we serve, so we're not just here to serve you, but we're here to be your neighbors too. We'd be glad to schedule a free consultation where we can sit down and understand what your goals are and that your project specifically, and then we can do an engineering analysis of that area and design the system that's perfect for you and your family. Mid-Florida Heating and Air has offices in Gainesville, Ocala, and Lady Lake. And we don't just serve those cities, but we serve all of the surrounding towns as well. So a lot of times people think that because they're out in horse country that nobody's going to come to them. Give us a call and we'll get there. We've been serving North Central Florida since 1983. We've completed over 1 million calls to date, and we guarantee the end result is exactly what your expectations are going to be.
For more information on the mini split system for farm owners, call Mid-Florida Heating and Air and visit them online at mid-fla.com.